One of the key messages here that's being discussed at Davos is the age of AI, the intelligent age, and the impact of AI is something that you as an owner must have also looked into. What's your sense about AI and how in the sector that you represent, what kind of role and impact will it have?
So now actually a lot of my business is AI. That's what Healthco does. I have 22 million users in this health application. I spent a week at Google in September with Sundar and everybody, just understanding. And I think fundamentally what I'm taking away is that while agents are going to be, very simply put, Siri on steroids, that will actually...
Siri on steroids, great headline. Great headline, and credit goes to Shobana here.
And it'll do a lot more work for you. But the whole thing is, when my guys, they've given a smorgasbord of what they can do, they said, what is the price point that it comes at? Nobody's really proved what is the actual business use case. Okay, so it costs a lot. It'll take lots of data, it'll take lots of electricity, it'll huge consumption. AI, we have to understand we're still at a nascent stage where people are building use cases. But having said that, I can't run my business without it. With that, when we have 22 million users on our health app, we have to be able to see how we can personalize it, how we can send nudges. And at the end of the day, our use case, the problem we're trying to solve is pretty bad one. How do I keep them out of Apollo Hospitals?
The role of AI in diagnostics. Are there any examples that you can share how it's making a difference? Because one gets to read about how AI is being used in diagnostics to sort of better improve and augment the capability of doctors when they write prescriptions. Is that something that...
Absolutely. So one of the things in CI, two use cases quickly are given. One is that whenever you go to a doctor, if you go for a second opinion, third opinion, they'll give you a different, at one point. So our CIE for doctors actually up to 80% is all prompted through AI based on millions and millions of records that we have and we've got from, which is published. So when you use that, you have a certain this thing of of prediction. So your disease management is so much better. But now the next level is in our ICUs, we can start predicting which are the cases that will go bad. Or in fact, this 1 week from a heart attack, people are now able to diagnose
the early warning
detection. And these are the things we're using this for picking up mammograms so much more faster. So AI is already in healthcare, and just a thing that is not spoken about enough is that whatever you see in scientific improvement, it comes into healthcare first. So I think after space exploration, healthcare just has to adopt it so fast.